So you want to buy cryptocurrency and you live in Canada. In this video, I'm going to show you a site where you can buy cryptocurrency, where you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and a bunch of others, which I'll show you in this video. So I have been using NDAXIO to buy Dogecoin specifically, just as a joke, but it's turned into quite a nice investment. So if you look here, there are a few options you can buy cryptocurrency on NDAX. They're based out in Calgary, which is pretty cool. Sign up, create an account. Doesn't take very long. There's a few things you need. You need some ID identification. They take some 3D photo of you just to confirm your identity. And then you are just going to e-transfer your money into NDAX. And then you're pretty much set to go and buy cryptocurrency. And all you have to do is pick your cryptocurrency, select how much you want to buy, and you are going to get charged a fee of 0.2% per transaction. So if you're going to buy some, you're going to get a fee of 0.2%, and then when you sell, you're also going to get that fee of 0.2%. You got the options of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ether, XRP, EOS, Stellar, Dogecoin, Cardano, Tether, Chainlink, and Polkadot. So go to trade. You have your stocks that you can buy. You can click Ether, see how that's doing. Go to Bitcoin. You can see what's selling on the side here, seeing the quantity, the total, and the price. And then you have a dashboard of your money that you have in the cryptocurrency, and you can see your transactions and your portfolio of what you have invested. So as you can see, I have Dogecoin and then Canadian money, which is 8 cents. But that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple interface. I really like it. All you have to do if you want to buy, so you go to the one you want to buy, you can select buy, and then you have the option to buy the market. You can do a limit, and there's a bunch of other options too. You can do a stop limit, trailing stop, market, trailing stop limit, fill or kill, IOC, reserve order. If I wanted to buy 200 Doge, it would cost me about $160 Canadian, and then I'm gonna get a fee of 40 cents if I was to actually go through on this. So if I wanted to sell 100 Doge, I could sell it for $79.97, and then I would also get fee. Like my fee would be 15 cents Canadian. Another nice thing about NDAX.io is that they do now have an app, so you can buy and sell your crypto on an app, which is super nice. And to clarify, it does work pretty nicely. Checking the trading line is kind of annoying with the green and red, but it is a more accurate representation of what's happening. But it's not as smooth as something like Yahoo Finance, where you can check and like compare how much your gain or how much your loss is. You do require a Google Authenticator app on your phone to make sure that you actually are signing in. So there's that two-factor authentication. So all you do is you open your app, you refresh it, you get a new Google Authenticator code, and then you put that into your app or your web browser. So if I want to e-transfer, then all I have to do is put in the amount, and then once I press deposit, I'll get a code and a password that I can enter on my e-transfers on either my mobile banking account or web browser. You have a wallet, you can send money. So if you want to send money to people, you can set it up. You have your bank accounts, you got the reports, and then you can also do reoccurring purchases. So if you wanted to buy crypto every time you get paid from your work, then you could put money into your crypto. So that's kind of how simple it is. It happens within just about 30 minutes. You can start trading. If you are going to be buying cryptocurrency, I'll provide a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, just to let you know, so I may receive some funds if you use it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I want to help you out just like I would my brother. I'll see you in the next video.